So this is a quick tutorial on how to do a Regal wrap if you have a larger head and can't necessarily tuck in the even lengths. So you start off actually with uneven lengths, and basically you're going to be working with the long side in the way that you would be working with two sides otherwise. So I've got like a long end here with my favorite t-shirt scarf and a short end. The short end you're just going to kind of like get rid of at the end and ignore. So working with the long end, all the same principles apply in terms of like getting it to fit your head and everything like that, but instead basically you're working with the long end and you're creating the entire Regal wrap with just one end of the scarf. And now I'm just going to tuck this one in like so. And you really want to work to get those folds looking nice and even. And then you can either leave this end out or tuck this in as well. Right here. And then now is the time to really get those layers all nice and pleated looking. There you go. Okay. I'm gonna add in a little pin for extra detail at the end. Perfect. Okay, so that is a trick to doing the Regal wrap if you have a wider head and can't do the even tails with shorter scarves as well.